Sometimes love is not about holding on. Sometimes love is letting go. Long when barely seeming more important.
I loved you more than words could say. Gave you my nights, my everyday. Held on tight when things got hard, even when it left me scarred. I tried to fix what I didn't break, carry the weight my heart could take. But loving you was losing me. Now I need to set us free. Some love feels like fire and rain, sweet at first and filled with pain. And if I stay, I lose my light. So I choose peace tonight.
I love you, but I love you go. Not because I want to, but my heart says so. Some doors close so souls can grow, and sometimes goodbye is mercy. I know no more fighting what we can control. I release you to save my soul. Love remains, but I choose to find my peace, my peace of mind.
Me liking you too much true. Me giving well belong you. That's all plenty time me cry. Now you know look him I belong me. Me hold him strong, me no like lose. Maski well belong me broke clip. That's all now, me must let him you go. Because well is stay and me more good bella true.
Some fella like me pen one time. Started me sweeping, me send me pine in time. Suppose me stop, me losing me, yeah. So now me making road belong rest. Under the same sky, we'll both heal. Time will teach us what is real if it's meant. Love finds its way.
But I won't beg love to stay. God knows the tears I cried alone. He saw the battles never shown. Now I surrender, I release, and trade this heartbreak for my peace.
I love you, but I let you go. Carry the memories, let the future flow. No more forcing what won't lie. No more losing my own shine. I forgive you, I free my heart.
Even if it tears apart, sometimes love means walking blind toward healing and peace of mind.
Me liking you, that's all me must liking me too. Care mi sa vez tretjem rod belong you me. Na beli si by come up again.